everyone. Today we will have a look at something different. This is the Fenspark handmade traveler's notebook. Fenspark reached out to me and asked me if I want to have a look at their new notebook, and I said yes. I didn't receive any payment, but I get to keep this notebook. Alright, so first thing first, the look and feel. This thing has real leather cover that feels super nice in your hands. It got this rustic look, which I'm all about. It already looks cool, and it's gonna get better with age, I believe. It comes in two colors, black and tea. Tea is the color that I got here. There is an elastic band to hold it shut. It even has this little airplane charm, which I think is a very nice touch. Inside you get three types of paper: lined, blank, and grid. The papers feels good quality. Another thing is that this notebook is refillable, so when you run out of pages, you just remove the inserts and you get a new one. As easy as not sure if this is a standard size, but at least it's refillable, so you can just replace these. Have your own combination of different type of pages. Very practical. It has a great size, not too big, not too small. You can toss it in your bag and it barely takes up any space. Whether you're heading to a cafe, traveling, or just want a journal outside, it's super easy to carry and to bring along. So let's break it down. What I like: the leather cover feels very high quality. Good quality paper and nice mix of inserts. Totally refillable, easy to carry around, looks way more expensive than it is. And what could be better, as some of you may prefer a snap instead of the elastic band. Also, it would be cool to have more color choices, because right now we have only two, black and this one, which is the nicer one in my opinion. So yeah, if you are into notebooks that looks cool, feels good, and are actually useful, the Fenspark Travelers Notebook is a solid pick. It's affordable, stylish, and just a fun little companion to have with you. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out, and if you like this review, hit the like button and maybe subscribe. Catch you in the next one.